What does Twitter stand for? Does anybody know?
What does Twitter stand for? What does Twitter stand for?
What does Twitter stand for? Time wasted in tracking tiny egotistical rants.
So you still think you can speak? Grand champion is... Nice, keep it going. It's 617 Patrick. Put your hands together for Patrick! For Gwen!
Well, he won the Rising Star Professional Speaking Competition in front of 1,000 professional speakers, and I thought he was quite extraordinary.
Okay, that's business with LinkedIn. The difference between deal and no deal. Deal and no deal. Deal or no deal. If one person gets one deal, that means $100,000. What's in your suitcase? I'm doing the same thing that they do on the show. Except I couldn't afford the bottles that are on the show, so I brought from home my mother. How cool is this? My mother's going to help me open the suitcase. Okay? This is my guess. My guess is $1 million. I don't think that's ridiculous. Okay? That you could do $1 million by working with LinkedIn. Missing LinkedIn tip. Misspell your last name. Huh? Misspell your last name. How many people know how to spell their last name? That's about half. Are we having a good time yet? How many people are having a good time? Raise your hands. I've actually got this on video. There are more people that are having a good time at this presentation than there are that know how to spell their last name. If you get one thing out of this session, your professional headline is not your title. Your professional headline is a 10 to 15 word marketing slogan that you would use to tell somebody the best stuff about you. There's a type of social media for everybody. For how many people here like to talk? Blogging is for you. How many people are too lazy to talk more than 140 characters? Twitter is for you. How many people like business relationships for business? LinkedIn is for you. How many people have friends? Facebook is for you. And lastly, how many people just look good? YouTube is for us. Okay?